This is how to use the addition strategy of a place value chart to solve two-digit plus two-digit equations. So the first and most important thing is to know about the tens place and the ones place when it comes to a number. So for example, if you had the number 27, there are 2 tens and 7 ones. How I would put that on my place value chart is 2 circles in the tens place, so the T stands for tens, and the O stands for ones. So I would put 7 circles over in my ones section. Let's say I was adding the number 42 to 27. So 42 has 4 tens and 2 ones. If I wanted to know how much it was altogether, I'm going to first start by adding up my ones. Oftentimes there might be a regrouping problem, and so it's very important to start with your ones place instead of just starting by adding your tens. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 ones, so I'm going to have a 9 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 tens, so my 6 goes right here. When I have the number 6 tens and 9 ones, I know that the sum of 42 plus 27 is 69. So before I begin, I want my T and my O, my tens and my ones. I'm going to make this pretty large so that everything can be seen. If I look at my ones place, 3 and 8 is going to be a number that is 10 or more, so I know that this is a regrouping problem. First, I'm going to put 33 on my place value chart, so 3 over in my tens and 3 in my ones. For the number 58, I'm going to put 5 over in the tens and 8 in the ones. First, I will count all of my ones. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'm going to do a thing it's called regrouping, where I'm bundling up 10 of my ones and I'm going to change it into being one more in my tens place. So how that kind of looks like, if you're used to doing vertical way, when you add 3 plus 8, you know it's 11, so you put your 1 and you carry your 1. This is kind of like when I'm carrying my 1, I'm moving it over to my tens place. Then I'm going to add up what I have left. So I have 1 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The same thing would be true over here. 1 plus 3 plus 5 also equals 9. So the sum, 33 plus 58, is 91. So again, I'm writing my T and my O for my tens and my ones. I'm going to start with the first addend, 54. I'll put 5 on my tens side and 4 over on my ones side. For 27, I will put 2 in my tens and 7 in my ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. After I'm finished, I'm going to count my ones first and see if I can bundle, if this is a regrouping problem. I already know that 4 plus 7 is a number bigger than 10, so I'm going to have to draw a circle around a group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So again, I am drawing a circle around a group of 10. It is pretty important to recount the group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, just to make sure that you actually put 10 inside of that circle. I know that when I counted it and it was 11, that once I circle it, there would be 1 left, because in the number 11, there's 1 10 and 1 1. So when I look at what's remaining, I have 1 over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the one I just drew, which is number 8. So 8 tens and 1 1. 81. So sometimes, once we get in the habit of doing a lot of regrouping problems, some students forget that you can only regroup when there's 10 or more in the ones place. So let's say we just were adding 23 plus 15. Again, we want to look and see if this is going to be a regrouping problem. 3 plus 5 is not going to be a number larger than 10. So 10 or more, there's not going to be a regrouping in this. So we've got 2 in our tens place and 3 in our ones. And over in my second add-in, I have 1 10 and 5 ones. When I count how many ones that I have, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I only have 8. I cannot bundle up a group of 10 because there are only 8. I have 3 over here in my tens place. So the number I have, 3 tens and 8 ones, the sum is 38. That is how you use a place value chart with place value chips to add 2-digit plus 2-digit.